Okay, guys, we find a secret box. Oh, Pomni, what do you think? What is inside? Okay. Oh, I don't know, Jax. Oh my God, so beautiful cat again. Hello, hello, hello. But we need a help. Guys, please press like and we will take and beautiful this box. Okay, it's secret box, secret box. What is inside? What is inside? What is inside? Ooh, maybe it's candy. Maybe candy. Maybe not. It is potatoes. Not potatoes. Oh, maybe it's carrot. Not carrot. Oh, friends, please go to a comment and write what is inside in this box. It's a hint. Maybe there is a cat. Maybe there is a cat. Oh, maybe. Okay, let's open this. Are you ready? If you're ready, like this video. Like, please. 3, 2, 1, over. 3, 2, 1, oh, what? Really? It's cat. Woo! We are finding friend for you. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's friend for our big friend. Okay. It's your friend. It's your new friend. Don't fear. Okay. Pomni, close the box.